वेस्ट तो बायोलॉजिकल वेस्ट में ना आएगा सर।
What? Which type of waste?
डेड एनिमल वेस्ट बायोलॉजिकल वेस्ट में ना आएगा।
Yeah, you can consider the biological waste. But those who are did and necessarily accidentally kill on the road, it does not include the waste from the slaughterhouse. Okay, it does not include like any type of waste. Wait 2 minutes. Then now start. Thus the dead animals is the waste, is a construction demolition waste. This is the including the stones, concrete, bricks, roofing and plumbing material, electrical wires. This is after the demolition waste generated, this type of waste included. This is the such as stones, concrete, bricks, roofing, okay, plumbing material, electrical wires. And the farm waste, which type of included the farm waste? These are results from the diverse agricultural activities like planting, harvesting, rearing of the animals, and the poultry waste. This is the comes under the farm waste.
सर जो केमिकली फर्टिलाइजर हो जाएगा वो भी
Yeah.
फार्मर्स वेस्ट में आएगा।
Yeah, farm waste. Yeah, farm waste. This is urea and phosphate used in the farming time. This is the inorganic waste. This is the farm waste. Okay, I use the organic waste. The planting, harvesting the many types of roots, particles using the waste. Sorry, in the farming time. This is the organic waste. Okay. This is hazardous waste. Which type of waste comes under hazardous waste? Anyone? This is a chemical toxic. So is generated from the industrial waste, such as possibly reactivity and toxicity. This toxic element is the hazardous waste. And the sewage waste, these are the solid bioproduct of the sewage treatment, mostly organic, derived from the treated organic sludge. Okay, separated from the raw and treated sewage. The waste is sticky and is in the pathogens. This is the sewage waste. And also the e-waste. The e-waste means you already known what the e-waste. These are the electronics product nearing the end of their useful life. So suppose your mobile phone, there is the e-waste. Refrigerator, fax machine, television, computer, cell phone batteries. These type of many types of the comes under the e-waste. But this waste is considered dangerous as some components are hazardous. If improperly disposed, can release lead and other substances into soil and groundwater. This is the main types of wastage. Okay, I discussed the e-waste, wage waste, hazardous, farm waste, construction demolition waste, dead animals, biodegradable, non-biodegradable, street, bulky, and access reduced waste, computer. These are the many types of waste. The data from the industry, institutional, and commercial. Okay. Then now the management of solid waste. How to manage? The first one, refuse. I already discussed refuse, reuse, recycle, reduce, and route. This is a 5R and 3R system. There's a for refuse. Refuse use containers that they are already at home. Okay, use containers that are already at home and they refuse to buy the new item when they are not required. Okay, this is comes under refuse. And reuse, if you cannot prevent waste, then reuse. Okay, And then recycle, use shopping bags made of cloth which can be used over and over again. Use cloth bag, use again to again. This is the recycling process. Not in the one time use and then throw the bag. Then use shopping bags made in the cloth. This can be used and use over again. This is the recycle process. Reduce the generation of unnecessary waste. Reduce the generation of unnecessary waste. Okay, this comes under reuse. Types of collection system.
सर
Yeah,
सबका छूट जाएगा सर.
okay. Don't worry. Again, is this video uploaded on the YouTube? Will see in the all are seen the then again this is complete. Okay. कोई आ नहीं सकता तो उसको क्या कर सकते हो, है कि नहीं?
Yes sir.
ठीक है. Actually, this video you uploaded on YouTube. Okay. Then you see all students are seeing this video. Okay. The types of collection system is a refuse collection system. Which type refuse? The household waste removed from the at home. Household waste removed from the home. This is the commercial waste collection. The commercial waste removed primarily using the dumpsters. What is the dumpsters? What do you mean by dumpster? These are dumping equipment. This is a dumper. This is called a dumpster.
Yes.
Okay. The recycled material collection. What is the recycled material collection? The collection of recycled material separated at the source of the generation. The collection of recycled material separated to the source of generation. Which type of generation generate the solid waste? Suppose e-waste, generated from e-waste paper, peels is a household. All are separate. E-waste is the one place is kept. Okay. Cardboard, papers is separate on one another dustbin. These are separate the source of generation. These are recycled material collection. The basic collection scheme. This is a communal system, block collection, and the curbside LA, the door-to-door collection. Okay, these are the collection scheme. This is the communal system. The principal disadvantage of the system is that containers, collecting points are located in the public place. Okay, this is a public place. Use the two types of dustbin, and the red color and the green color. They use the two types of dustbin. The one is the dry for the dry solid waste, and the one is the liquid, the weighted condition. Okay, which is many situations lead to indiscriminate disposal of waste outside the container. Thus, the actual economy of the system mostly depend on the public cooperation. Okay, thus the actual economy of the system must depend on the public cooperation. It is therefore essential to pay more attention to improving the design and operation and maintenance practice of a communal system to increase public acceptance and to optimize the productivity of the system. Okay, then now that this use of portable storage containers that maximize the productive labor and the prices such a collection system. This is comes under the communal system. Okay, this is first is many situation lead to indiscriminate disposal of the waste outside the container. And the second is the block collection. How to is the block collection? The waste generator is responsible to bringing their waste to collection vehicle. This system has low to medium labor and vehicle productivity, but is minimize the speed of the waste on a street. These are two types of use the dustbin. Okay, then you minimize the speed of the waste on the street. They use the dustbin. This is the block collection. Curbside LA. This is the most commonly collection method in industrialized countries and the wealthier communities to some developing countries. Okay, the waste generator places the waste containers or bags, sacks on the curb in the alley on a specific day. Okay, this is a collection of the external actors. The irregular and well organized. Yeah.
पहले वाला नहीं समझ में आ रहा है सर।
कौन सा फर्स्ट? कौन? ब्लॉक कलेक्शन?
नहीं सर, थर्ड वाला।
This is curve sign LA. Man, you
यस।
fix the one day specific day. This is the collection of the solid waste generators. Okay, so one person move. Okay, on the street. Okay, suppose this method commonly use the industrialized countries and their wealthier community of some developing countries. So this country developing countries, suppose India, waste generator place the waste containers or bags. Okay, the waste generator place the waste containers. Suppose one waste containers bag, yeah, you said the containers, steel containers, yeah, plastic containers. Use the on the cardboard, on the alley, on the specific day. Any on a specific day, fix the day. This is the day in the collection of the solid waste. Okay, this is the external actor. The one person move for the stick on the collect the waste material. Okay, then this is a regular and well organized collection service. Okay, this regulation is the, suppose you date fix the weekly. Suppose week you was Sunday or Monday. Okay, you fix on day, specific day. Okay, this is day the one person move and collect the waste. Okay, this is the specific day collection by the external actor. The external actor means the external person. One person you uh, appoint this person you move a state on the collect the waste. Then it is essential to the net to know exactly when to leave out their waste. This is the curbside alley. Okay, comes under. Then door-to-door collection. What is door-to-door collection? How to manage? The curbside comes under the streetway on the road, and door-to-door collection. This is a more common in industrialized countries. Okay, but the increasing number of micro enterprise and our community based on the organization or forming of wealthier communities in the many developing countries to perform this task. Okay, suppose door-to-door collection. Suppose one vehicle move to door to door and collect the waste. Suppose the Nagar Nigam, one vehicle move to door and collect the all types of wastes. The system has had to receive public attention, but as with the use of bags for waste is maximized, the productivity of the crew as retrieval the containers is not required. Okay, containers are not required. Move to move means one vehicles move to door and collect the all types of waste. Okay, this is the types of collection scheme. This is a communal block. Communal means the common. Okay, one common dustbin you place kept in the places, and all types of waste kept disposed in the dustbin. In the block collection, as a specific places decided and collect the waste. And then curbside move the one person on the streetway and collect the all types of waste. And the door-to-door collection, one bike is moved to door-to-door and collect the all types of waste. Okay, this is the types of collection scheme. The types of equipment use the waste, but the collection of waste. The both vehicle and container are required. One vehicles and container are both are required. The average life of vehicles is 5 to 7 years. Okay, and the residual collection vehicles, packer truck must have internal compactor. Okay, this is the main types of equipment use the collection or collect of waste and transport the waste. Suppose rear loader. This is a larger hopper not necessary with the elimination of large bulky items. This is the use the rear loader. Okay, matlab is store the waste material. The side loaders, a two-person crew, driver and loader. Okay, this is a mechanical loaded. Front loader is the essential waste placed in the dustbin cycle, cal and the western state. You see the rear loader, side loader. You are see this type of equipment. Which type of equipment you see? Rear या side. It is a front loader. Suppose always use side loader. Okay, two person, one driver and one person loader. Okay. Suppose one driver move the vehicles and second person, your loader, use the door to door move. The one person kept pick the dustbin and all dustbin waste material throw in the in the side loaders or the of the bucket. Okay, these are the use the four types of collection system equipment. Okay, how to collect. These are commercial waste collection vehicles, front loader. Okay, horse truck, a small operation, few pickup location, bulky items. Okay, tilt farm, large containers. These are widely used. Trash trailer, heavy rubbish. Okay, these are four types of commercial waste collection vehicle. Under recycling, compromise the truck. Okay, here we could live that a month without food. We could even live for several days without water. But without air, we cannot live more than a few minutes. So what is the air? What is the role of the air? Okay, we might fall off air so badly in some places that it could become unfit to breathe. In the collection of the dumping area, the air conditions are very bad. In some area, the air is so bad that people become sick from breathing it, and some even die because of it. Okay, and the dumping area, there's a all solid waste collection system in a dumping area. This zone is the very unfit and unhealthy. Okay, there's some area there is just so bad. The people become sick and breathing it, and some even die because of it. The WHO department estimates that the billion people live in a place where that air is substandard and that their air pollution kills 8,000 people a day worldwide, about 90% of death over developing countries. Okay, 90% person death in the developing country due to the air pollution. Suppose this type of pollution. Suppose one place is to collect the all types of solid waste. This type of waste generated from the many types of toxic gases. Okay, this type of gases in the use of breath. Okay, some people become sick and breathing it, and some even dies because of it. Okay, 90% person death occurs in developing countries such as India. For India, the developing country, the 90% person dead due to these problems. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They know what is the air pollution. Anyone define?
सर, जो एयर में excess carbon dioxide
Discussed.
and other
Yeah, good. Again.
other harmful gases include हो जाता है सर, जो कि अनफिट होता है हम लोग को ब्रीथिंग के लिए. दिस इज नोन एज एयर पॉल्यूशन. लाइक कार जो गैसेस प्रोड्यूस करता है, रेफ्रिजरेटर नहीं सर,
Yeah.
जो हम लोग ये जो फॉरेस्ट डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो रहा है सर, जो प्लांट्स में ऑटोमेटिक फॉरेस्ट में आग लग जा रहा है सर, वो सब द मेन काउज ऑफ एयर पॉल्यूशन सर.
Yeah, good. The presence of toxic chemicals or compound, including the biological origin in this air, at the lead of the cause of the health risk. Okay, so this is such a damaging the ozone layer of the causing global warming. The global warming is generated from this is the deforestation. Okay, this here means the presence of many types of chemicals compound in the air. This is why not present in the which lower the quality of air. Okay, this is the change the quality of life. Disturb the ecosystem. Suppose you disturb the natural resources, then create the many types of the pollution. You disturb the natural resources, then you disturb the environment and the ecosystem. Your ecosystem is unhealthy, that will impact on the human health. Okay, this is the causes. Air pollution probably one of the most serious environmental problems contained in organizations studied. They are most often caused by the human activities such as mining, construction. That is, this type of activities created from the this human activities. Okay, this is mining, construction, transportation. Okay, industrial work, agriculture, smelting, etc. These type of activities create the main types of pollution, the air pollution. Is the due to mining and construction, the main of dust spent in the ecosystem, environment. Okay, industrial work, agriculture. This is the create the air pollution. This is how the natural process.
कैसे होगा सर?
You why due to the pesticide sprinkling. सपोज यू जब हम लोग दवा छींकते हैं केमिकल्स, ये सपोज यू फॉस्फेट एंड यूरिया स्प्रेड ऑन द फील्ड, तो दिस आर द एयर पोल्यूशन। मेन टाइप उसका जो स्मेल होगा, जो बाहर निकलेगा उसका गैस, तो क्या होगा, वो क्या करता है, वेट 1 मिनट। Okay, now however, the natural process such as the volcanic eruption and the wildfires may also pollute the air, but their occurrence rate of they usually have to local effect. Okay, this is the unlike human activities that they ubiquitous cause air pollution. Okay, the conditions of global pollution and the air every single days. Okay, so due to the human activities, the main types of human activities such as the mining, construction, transportation, industrial or agriculture. These are the create the air pollution due to the air pollution. Okay, this is the main types of activities. So directly or indirectly depend on the human activities. They create the main types of pollution. Suppose air, noise, these are all types of pollution. Okay, depend on the human activities. Okay, then now types of source and air pollution. Okay, this air pollution is the chemical added to the atmosphere by natural events or human activities is high enough concentration to be harmful. Okay, this is the chemicals added to the atmosphere by natural events or human activities high enough concentration to be harmful. The air pollution introduced the chemicals particulate matter. This is the PM10 and 2.5. This is the air pollution matter, particulate matter, the biological material that cause harm or discomfort to humans and other living organisms, or cause damage to the natural environment, to the environment, in the atmosphere. Today's the what is the AQI of the AQI?
Sir, air quality index?
Yeah, okay. The AQI is that currently or you live in, where you live in currently? Which places?
37 is it?
Today 7, actually Chaivasa is 18. This is a very, very fresh environment. Okay, suppose 0 to 50 is the healthy. Okay, the 0 to the below the 50, the AQI is the 18. Suppose in Chaivasa in college, today is the AQI is the 18. This is the very healthy, the fresh environment. Visibility is the 100% visibility. Okay, this is the depend on the particular matter. This is the PM10 and 2.5. The PM10 is the size is the big and PM2.5 is the small size. They move in the air. They make the fog. Okay, but PM10 is the settle on the ground due to the water sprinkling. But 2.5 is not sprinkling the water due to the settle on the ground. Okay, there are two categories. The first is the primary air pollutant, secondary air pollutant. These all are known. The primary air pollutant directly emitted into the atmosphere. harmful substance that is emitted directly into the atmosphere, but secondary it not directly. Okay, the harmful is formed in the atmosphere when a primary air pollutants react with substance normally found in the atmosphere or with other air pollutants. Okay, these are two types of the air pollutants. You all are known. This is the atmosphere as a resource, atmospheric composition. This is nitrogen 78.08% is the nitrogen and oxygen 20.95%. Argon is 0.93 and a carbon dioxide 0.04%. This is the atmospheric composition. Okay, this is the four types of elements available in the atmosphere. Nitrogen is the maximum, oxygen 20.95, nitrogen is a colder gas, nitrogen. Okay, and the ecosystem service is blocks UV radiation, moderate the climate, and distribute the water in the hydrological cycle. You all are about the known about the hydrological cycle. Define hydrological cycle. You know.
Yes, that first evaporation, then
Yeah.
condensation,
Yeah.
then making cloud, and
Yeah.
precipitation, and
Okay.
infiltration, and plus runoff.
Yeah.
Then he collect in any river and other places, and then this process is recycle and
Yeah.
recycle.
Okay. Good.
Repeat and
This is the hydrological cycle. This is the then recycle again reuse the again to again. This system is the system. This is the hydrological cycle. This is a particular material. Okay, there is thousands of different soil and liquid particles suspended in the air, included soil particles, soot, lead, asbestos, sea salt, and sulfuric acid droplets. Okay, this is the particulate material. Dangers for two reasons: may contain material with toxic and carcinogenic effect. Extremely small particles can become loaded in the lungs. Means PM2.5 is the small particles. Okay, you the 2.5 particles you in the for the breath you take the breath, then all are the solid particles settle on the lungs. Okay, this small particles can become loaded in the lungs. Okay, then nitrogen oxide. The gas is produced by the chemical interaction between the atmospheric nitrogen and oxygen at high temperature. Okay, there's a problems due to from this problem. These are greenhouse gases cause difficulty breathing. Okay, this is the nitrogen oxides. Sulfur oxide. The gases produced by the chemical interaction between the sulfur and oxygen. This is called the acid precipitation. तो acid rain होता है ना? This is the sulfur oxides. Carbon oxides, gases carbon monoxide CO and carbon dioxide CO2. Okay, this is the greenhouse gases. These are the carbon dioxide. Hydrocarbons, diverse group of organic compound that contain only hydrogen and carbon, CH4, the methane. Okay, some are related to photochemical smog and greenhouse gases. This is the under the hydrocarbons. And ozone, tropospheric ozone, this is man-made pollutants in the lower atmosphere. Secondary air pollutants, component of photochemical smog. Okay, stratospheric ozone, essential component that is skin out UV radiation in the upper atmosphere. This is a man-made pollutants. Okay, this can be destroyed. Ozone, hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide is a major pollutants of the air pollution. Okay, the source of air pollution. This is the main four type of air pollution sources. Anyone give the example? Source of air pollution? Anyone can?
Sir, burning of woods, smoking और vehicles के through होता है sir.
Yeah, good. There's a many types of sources. First, smoking, cars, bicycles, smoke. It's the first mobile source. Divided into four categories. The first mobile source, okay, such as car, buses, planes, truck, and trains. This is the use the mobile source. Is that create the pollution? Okay. Stationary source is such as power plants, oil refineries, industrial facilities, and the factories. These are the comes under the stationary sources. Area sources. This is agricultural areas, cities, and wood burning fireplaces. Okay, and a natural resource such as wind, blown dust, wildfires, and volcans. This is the natural sources. These are the mainly four types of air pollution source. Okay.
माइनिंग एरिया में जो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स होता है वो एरिया सोर्स में आएगा या सर नेचुरल सोर्स में
Natural
आएगा?
source में
नेचुरल सोर्स में तो नहीं आना चाहिए.
Why? Why? क्यों? It's a wind blown dust.
कोल वगैरह निकाल रहे हैं ना सर, तो वो इसलिए.
No. Actually, this is natural. Actually, air must move. So how to dust is move in the atmosphere? This is a natural.
नेचुरल सोर्स में सर.
Yeah. Wind blown dust is the natural. This the air is the natural source, na? क्या air या
Yes sir, mining area sir.
Yeah, the area sources such as agricultural area, cities, and wood burning. This is you are created from the humans. This is a man-made.
Yes sir.
Must be your man-made now.
Yes sir.
City is man-made. Wood burning is man-made. Naturally, wood burning.
But sir, mining area भी तो man-made ही हुआ ना सर. Man-madely हम लोग निकाल रहे हैं कोल वगैरह को, तो सर वो man-made ही तो हम लोग कर रहे हैं एक हिसाब से.
जो कोल निकाल रहे हैं.
Yes sir.
जो कोल का हम लोग जो निकाल रहे हैं, जो कोयला बोल रहे हैं ना, कोल.
Yes sir.
जो माइनिंग. तो हाँ,
Yes
जो
sir.
माइनिंग करेंगे तो this is the man-made. But wind blow dust is the particular dust, is the particular matter dust, not in the see only mining. Not into the only mining. Such air move in the atmosphere, then dust is a move in the atmosphere. Not either directly and only identify the specified this is the mining dust. There's such a wind blown dust. Must have any type, many types of dust. Not only this is a mining. Okay. अगर only is specified कि नहीं only I use the only mining dust. So no, it is a many types of dust. Only air move, then dust is flow in the atmosphere. This is a natural source. Okay. Any doubt?
No sir.
Okay. So this is the four types of source of air pollution: is the mobile, stationary, area, and natural. The how area agriculture air source is the area. How to define agriculture areas? This area sources. How you can define? Agriculture areas. How to move the agriculture area, the sources of pollution.
सर वो स्पेसिफिक एरिया जिसमें हम लोग फर्टिलाइजर वगैरह जो यूज कर रहे हैं सर, ग्राउंड वाटर को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहा है और वो वाटर बॉडी को हार्म कर रहा है सर.
Good. This is the agriculture areas pollution, the pollutants such as use the pesticides means urea and phosphate directly impact two types: air pollution and also water pollution. Okay, this is the area sources. The agriculture area is the use the pesticide and for use the urea phosphate such as. Okay, this comes under the area sources. Okay, good. Then the source of air pollution. These are all are shown in the image. There is natural. You are seeing this is natural. Okay, natural area, stationary and mobile sources. Visible. There go lightning, volcans, wildfires, forests. This is the natural air pollution. Cities area livestock. fertilizers, oil and gas, okay, a stationary, industrial power plant, sewage treatment, and the mobile sources, airplanes, car, trucks, buses, motorcycle. This is the polluted emission. Okay, this is a source of
लाइफ स्टॉक क्या मतलब सर, और वो कैसे होगा
where
लाइफ स्टॉक?
कैसे क्यों नहीं होगा लाइफ स्टॉक? Under the cities,
ऐसे होगा
there are many types of animals kept in the one places. You have seen many types of animals live in one places, then create a livestock. What is a livestock? First, you know about the livestock.
आइडिया से कैसे हो रहा है
कैसे हो रहा है?
सर? लाइफ स्टॉक से कैसे होगा सर?
क्यों नहीं होगा लाइव?
पोल्यूशन
पोल्यूशन नहीं होगा लाइव स्टॉक से। लाइव स्टॉक का मतलब क्या समझते हो तुम लोग?
सर गाय बैल बकरी सबको रखा जाता है वही ना?
या हाँ, तो वहाँ पर मेन
हाँ तो सर उससे थोड़े हो सकता है पॉल्यूशन?
पोल्यूशन नहीं होगा उससे।
नहीं सर, कैसे होगा?
उसका जो भी होगा तो वो ऑर्गेनिक मैटर होगा, तो ऑर्गेनिक मैटर कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग के इन्वायरमेंट के लिए वो गुड है, तो
नो
वो वेस्ट कैसे पॉल्यूशन कैसे दे रहा?
देखो वहां से क्या मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ डस्ट, मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन क्रिएटेड। एक्चुअली हम लोग को दिखता नहीं है, ये तुम सोचते हो कि हम लोग सोचते हैं कि नहीं यहाँ पे से तो हमको ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल मिल रहा है जिससे कि हम लोग यूज करते फर्टिलाइजर, बट यहाँ सपोज यहाँ से मान लो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को हम एक जगह केप रखते हैं, ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे तो बीमारी भी तो डिजीज भी तो फैलेगा ना वहां से। वो जितना
तो करते हो
जितना
सर,
ज्यादा
ऐसे थोड़े
जितना ज्यादा लोग मान लो तुम वहां पे तो क्लीनिंग का प्रॉब्लम होगा, है कि नहीं? जितना ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन एक जगह होगा वहां पे तो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन क्रिएटेड, है कि नहीं? यही होगा ना।
सर यहाँ पे सिर्फ कैटल डंग का वो जब बर्न करेंगे तभी पोल्यूशन हो सकता है, बाकी तो वैसे नहीं लग रहा है सर कि कुछ होने वाला है।
होता है, वह देखना तुम लोग पढ़ने से क्या होता है। इसलिए मेन टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन क्रिएटेड फ्रॉम दिस लाइव स्टॉक। अच्छा, एक जगह बहुत सारे पॉपुलेशन हम लोग ह्यूमंस का एक जगह बहुत ज्यादा तुम रखते हो, तो वहां पे कुछ होगा पॉल्यूशन?
यस सर, लेकिन एयर पोल्यूशन का पता नहीं।
क्या एयर पोल्यूशन क्यों नहीं होगा? जब जहाँ पे ज्यादा लोग रहेंगे वहां स्मेल होगा ना।
सर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगा। यस सर।
या तो क्या हो गया वो?
यस सर, एयर पोल्यूशन होगा।
तो ज्यादा एयर पोल्यूशन। ठीक है, ज्यादा
यस सर,
एयर पोल्यूशन। Okay, this is livestock, fertilizers. These are the comes under the cities. Okay. Then now the mobile sources amount of more than half of all the air pollution in the United States, and the primary mobile sources of air pollution is the automobile, according to the Environmental Protection Agency. The stationary sources like power plant emit large amount of pollution. Okay. From a single location. These are the known as the point source of pollution. Okay. This is the known as the point source of pollution. This area source are made of the lots of smaller pollution sources. This is the big deal by themselves, but when considered a group of can be natural source can something significant, but do not usually create ongoing air pollution problem like other source type of can. Okay.